Hey guys, it's Senor Limpio Gaming here again. Welcome to another Galaxy Z Flip 4 video. Today, it's just a short unboxing and comparison of two cases that I have. The Samsung official clear cover with ring that I got when I bought the phone. Here it is. Really nice case. And also I have this new Ringke matte black slim case that I got from Amazon a few days ago. I know they are two different types of cases completely, but that's good. A little bit of variety. Here is our Z Flip 4 in blue. It's really nice. I find that the clear cover is a nice way to show off the color of the phone. So let's do that. I've had the clear case on for a while since I bought the phone. So you know what? Let's just do a quick install of this thing. Or we could just fast forward the whole thing. I think that's what we'll do. Here we go. Boom. So here we are with the Samsung official clear cover with ring. Looks pretty good. Not very bulky, which is always my preferred style of phone case. And as you can see, it is a great way to showcase the color of the phone. Looks really good, exposed fingerprint reader. There's the other side. There's a bit of Samsung branding there on the side. That's very, very subtle. That's good. Here's that other side again, and looks really good. There is that ring that is very helpful for pulling the phone out of your pocket. Also add an added measure of protection. You can put your finger through it while you're holding the phone so it doesn't fall. One thing I don't like about this case though is that the sides are pretty slippery. Whenever I try to prop my phone up to watch something, the phone just kind of slides down. Also, that little strap that holds the ring is already discolored after a few days, but other than that, looks pretty good. Now let's look at the Ringke matte black case that we have here. As usual, we will just fast forward through the installation process of this phone. Boom. Oh wow, I really like this case. It is very sleek, very slim, adds almost zero bulk to the phone, and the matte black color looks so good. Very nice. There's your fingerprint reader, it's still exposed, and it looks like it has a lanyard holder, which actually is not a bad idea. Since it doesn't have a ring, a lanyard would actually be a good idea for this phone. There you go. It doesn't even look like you have a case on it. There are the sides of it. Kind of looks like the gap is a little bit smaller, so that's even better. Maybe it's just a trick of the eye, but I like this. I like the way this looks. Very, very sleek. Perfect. Have to get used to not having a ring, but there you go. This case actually makes it look like my other phone, the S21 Ultra, which I will actually be making a comparison video of these two phones pretty soon. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys soon. Have a good day. Cheers.